Namaste. Welcome to Namaste Hindi.
Months of the year.
साल के महीनों के नाम. In Hindi, the names of the months are the same as in English, but with a slightly different pronunciation.
January,
January,
February,
February,
March,
March,
April,
April,
May,
May,
June,
June, January, February, March, April, May, June,
July,
July,
August,
August,
September,
September,
October,
October,
November,
November,
December,
December, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Days of the week.
सप्ताह के दिनों के नाम.
Monday,
सोमवार, सोमवार,
Tuesday,
मंगलवार, मंगलवार,
Wednesday,
बुधवार, बुधवार,
Thursday,
गुरुवार, गुरुवार और बृहस्पतिवार, बृहस्पतिवार,
Friday,
शुक्रवार, शुक्रवार,
Saturday,
शनिवार, शनिवार,
Sunday,
रविवार, रविवार, सोमवार, मंगलवार, बुधवार, गुरुवार और बृहस्पतिवार, शुक्रवार, शनिवार, रविवार. As highlighted in the same way that in English every day ends with the word day, in Hindi every day ends with the word war. Without the word war, it's Som, Mangal, Budh, Guru, Shukra, Shani, Ravi. How to ask date, day and month.
What is today's date?
आज क्या तारीख है? In Hindi, date is तारीख.
Today is the 10th.
आज 10 तारीख है.
What day is it today?
आज क्या वार है? If you are asking about the days, in Hindi, day is वार.
Today is Thursday.
आज गुरुवार है.
What month is it?
अभी कौन सा महीना चल रहा है? In Hindi, अभी means right now and going on means चल रहा. So here literally we are asking right now what month is going on.
It's February.
फरवरी चल रहा है और you can also say अभी फरवरी चल रहा है.
Question and answer.
सवाल और जवाब. Which day of the week is missing? मंगलवार, शुक्रवार, रविवार.
And that's all the practice for today. Great job.
Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Namaste.